Have you ever sold your old toys or snacks at school? You might already know the secret to profit and loss. Let's find out how simple and fun this part of commercial maths can be. Meet Ria. She spent $100 to make lemonade and sold it for $150. That means she earned $50 more. That's her profit. But if she sold it for $80 instead, she would lose $20. That's a loss. In commercial maths, everything starts with two words, cost price and selling price. The cost price is what you pay to buy something, and the selling price is what you get when you sell it. The difference between them tells you whether you made a profit or a loss. We can also find the percentage of profit or loss. The formula is easy. Profit percentage equals profit divided by cost price times 100. Loss percentage equals loss divided by cost price times 100. So if Ria made $50 profit on $100 cost, that's a 50% profit. See? Easy. At BrightCHAMPS, we make math come alive through fun stories and real-life examples,